Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Code Academy. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create business consulting application just using the image prompt. So right now on the screen you can see the image which I'm going to use it as a reference to this v0.dev tool, and I will ask this tool to create business application for me. So here I will attach this image and I will simply say create business consulting application and take reference of the attached image. And once I write this prompt, this tool will analyze all the steps, what are the pages it has and what content it has, and based on that it will try to create similar kind of application for us. So that right now I have written my prompt like this, and I will just hit enter or press this arrow button, and then it will start creating the application. This tool is very fast. Meanwhile it is creating the files. You can see what are the things which we have. So here I'm not expecting exactly the same output like this image, but it should have some similarities. So now it has started creating the application for us. Right now you can see the tool is writing the file. So currently this is page.tsx file and it is writing all the content. So if you are software engineer or someone who doesn't know anything about coding, you don't have to worry about all these things, because this tool is helping us to create the application. So even if you are not from software engineering background, you should be able to see what the output would look like, and you will get the fair idea of how our application would look while we do it using the coding. So in behind the scenes it is using all the code. So if you are a software engineer you can see that code, but if you are not, then also it's fine. So now our application has been generated and I can see there are 3 to 4 pages and it looks beautiful. So I'm going to expand this. So see, like here also we have this multiple sections. We have the landing page, then we have the second page, correct, then we have the customer section as well. So let's just see what this tool has built. Okay, so I will just expand this window. So here also I don't want to see it in tab, I will open in the next tab and you would be able to see this. So right from the text and the content, it is pretty close to what we have in that image. Okay, and generally if we have to create this application, we would require at least 1 or 2 days if you are experienced developer, but with the help of this tool we have created within just 1 or 2 minutes, as you have seen. So right now you can see it is responsive as well, but this has 2 issues. The color palette is not similar and it doesn't have the images as well. So if you are a developer you can very well go and add the images, but I'm going to show you how we can adjust the color palette and how we can add these images dynamically using this v0.dev tool only. So from here you can download the zip. Okay, if you want. Now let's say if you have more things to add, like we noticed, right, we can adjust the color palette and we can add the images. So first I will ask it to use a same color palette same as that of image, and let's see how the user experience of this and how visually it looks similar to the image. So right now I can see the button colors and everything is in black, so I want to make them same as that of image, and let's see how it creates that. So my intention of my video is to show you how far AI has reached. It is able to read the images and create the entire website after it. So if you want to see more videos like this, I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel. So now the new changes are getting inserted into the code, and after finishing all the code, let's see how well the page looks after that. So it will take a few seconds. Now you can see this global.css file as well, where it has created the color palette on its own. So now you can see some of the button colors has been changed to this green color, and now it looks much more promising, right? You can see this risk management, all the stuff also has this green color. Then sign in and get started button also has the green color. Now the next challenge which we want to address is this: we don't want this gray color looking placeholder images, we want the real images. So in the next part of the video I'm going to add those. Okay, so now let's start writing the prompt. In this chat window I will added something like use the images from internet which will suit our website. So I will just mention use appropriate images from the internet and add it into this website, so that we will get to see like how the website looks after adding images. So we may encounter some failures. If we encounter those failures, then I will show you how we can address those, but if we don't, then we should be able to see the results on our website. So right now it has started updating the existing files to accommodate the changes which we have asked to v0.dev through the command prompt, and I'm excited to see how the output would look like after adding the images. So here we can check two things: the understanding of v0.dev to our prompts, and which images it is going to add onto the website on its own. So for humans, like we can go on internet and we can search for appropriate images because we have human intelligence, but now we need to also compare the artificial intelligence also, whether it able to find the appropriate images from the internet and put it into our website as assets. So let's just see. It is constructing the code and it will try to look for the images. So you might able to see some image tags into our code, and now I think it has finished the coding part. Now okay, let's see. I can see already one image on our landing page, also the company partner websites also I can see. I will open again into the next tab. So here, as this is business consulting application, so it has automatically added the charts, it has automatically added the partner companies. Two images are not loading, but we can very well address using the chat prompt. So that person and one girl and boy sitting there, that also image it has added. Also these images are responsive as well, and from here we can understand the capability of the AI tool nowadays. So if we have to create something like this, it may cause hours of work, but here using this AI tool like v0.dev, or you can say bolt.new, are advancing day by day. So from here you can download the zip, you can refer this file to add it into your project as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm going to bring more content like this so that it is valuable for my viewers. So thank you for watching this video.